Today, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to generate a long-form sales letter to sell any product online with the help of prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere. So let's get started. Okay, so I want to show you this very effective prompt to generate long-form sales letters. Now, to get access to this prompt, we need to install the Keywords Everywhere extension. Now, this is a browser add-on that you can install for Chrome and for Firefox. So the first step is to install Keywords Everywhere, and then the next step is for you to log in to your OpenAI account. Now, with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice a couple new things in your ChatGPT dashboard. The first thing is this templates button on the left-hand side, and you'll also notice this continue button on the top right. So to access the long-form sales letter template, we're going to click on the templates button on the left-hand side, and this will open up the Keywords Everywhere's ChatGPT prompt templates widget. Now we need to choose a category. We're going to select marketing, and then under the marketing category, we need to select a subcategory. We're going to click on miscellaneous, and then now we can select the long-form sales letter template. Now this will expand the widget. We can choose from different languages, as you can see right here. We can even select from different voice tones. Now for this example, I'm just going to click on enthusiastic. We can also choose from different writing styles as well. I'm going to click on conversational. Now we need to tell it what we sell. So let's just say we are a personal trainer, an online personal trainer, and we're selling workout plans for men. So we can put down here, workout plan for men to gain muscle without a strict diet. Okay, so that is our product. Now the more descriptive, the better. Next, we need to tell it where we sell this product. We can enter the location of where we sell it. If we sell it all over the world, then we can enter worldwide. So I'm going to type in worldwide. And lastly, we need to signify how many words we want ChatGPT to generate for our long-form sales letter. I'm just going to keep it at 400. Now this is the prompt template. This automatically gets updated according to what we have added and selected up here. As you can see, it says, you are a marketing researcher that writes fluent English. You have an enthusiastic tone of voice, you have a conversational writing style, and it continues. We can edit this template if you wish, but this template has been created and tested to generate some very effective long-form sales letters. So I'm not going to edit this template. I'm going to click on execute template. Now ChatGPT will generate the long-form sales letter for us, as you could see here. Now one helpful thing it did was it actually created a user persona for our product. Okay, you can see a list of data points and answers. So our persona's name for this long-form sales letter is David. He's 32 years old. He's a software engineer. He makes $85,000 a year. He's married and he has one kid and he lives in Seattle. Okay. Now the prompt told ChatGPT to create a sales letter with this above persona. This is what makes this template so powerful, and it effectively generates unique long-form sales letters that can sell any product for your business. So it starts off with, Dear David, are you tired of following strict diets and still not seeing the muscle gains you desire? Do you find it challenging to stick to a meal plan and want a more flexible approach to building muscle? Look no further. And the sales letter continues, okay? And it looks really, really good. Now we can tweak the template to have ChatGPT generate something that better fits our product. So as you can see here, our persona is married and has one kid. Let's just say we actually want to target single men without kids. So we can actually edit the template. So we are going to click on the templates button and we're going to update this line right here. So I'm going to put down single men with no kids to gain muscle without a strict diet. Okay, so we updated what we sell and it's much more descriptive and better fits our target audience. So I'm going to click on execute template. Now ChatGPT will generate another one for us. Okay, so you can see here for Michael, he is single and has no kids. And ChatGPT generated a sales letter with this new persona. So it starts off with, "Hey Michael, we understand that as a single man with a busy schedule, achieving your fitness goals can be tough, but don't worry, we've got your back. Our workout plan for single men with no kids to gain muscle without a strict diet is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals without compromising your lifestyle." And it continues. So this is how you can have ChatGPT generate a much more targeted sales letter that fits your product and business. Now, I also want to touch on this continue button on the top right. Now, if you hover over this button, we have a list of actions that we can tell ChatGPT to do after it generated a response. So we can tell ChatGPT to continue where it left off. We can have it clarify the response, exemplify it, expand, explain it, rewrite it, shorten it, or even tweetify it. So let's just say we are ready to promote our product on Twitter, on social media. We can click on tweetify it, and ChatGPT will actually turn this sales letter into a tweet. Okay, so here we go. Looking to gain muscle without a strict diet? Our workout plan for single men is perfect for you. Sign up today and take the first step towards achieving your fitness goals. #FitMen. So it has a couple of emojis, even has a hashtag. So you can use this to promote your products on Twitter and across social media. So this continue button is very, very helpful and gives you some options on what you can tell ChatGPT to do next. Okay, so this is how you can generate a very effective long-form sales letter with the help of prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one.